That's funny. Oh, hey, Rhonda. Hey, go check out DeviantArt.com. There are some cool pictures on there. Winky face. Okay. Guess I could. What you doing? Looking at this one website a friend told me to go on. Ooh. Jesus, they have a lot of pictures of us. Oh. Ooh, I'm sending that one to the porn folder. Nice. What? Nothing, don't worry about it. What are they doing in that one? Oh God, where are they sticking that? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh God! Oh God! We'll be okay. Cake on me. Gross. Okay. Okay. Here's one. Oh, Jesus. What am I reading? Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, my. Oh. Ew. Oh, God. No. Who writes this? Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. That's disgusting. No more. No more. Oh, God. Yeah, now I know why books are banned in Sector 6. Who would write such a thing? God. And then Shion pushes Nezumi away. No! Shion cries out, I'm in love with Safu. I don't want anything to do with you anymore. Get away from me, you perverted rat. Oh, that's genius. I said 10 seconds! I had fun. Like wiping your nose. I know. Oh my God, it's gonna come out. And this is, kids, as well. You don't put your face in cake. You're missing some right here. And you do put your face in cake, just saying. Actually, that was a lot more fun than I thought it would be. It was supposed to be. It was my special cake. Just kidding. That you're going to get me drunk on, so then you can be the semi for once. Oh, it came with the alcohol. My turn, babe. I'm done. You guys are mean. I'm not mean to me. I'm not ready. I need to read over it one more time. Just start saying weird fangirl stuff. Oh, he's so cute. In the normal voice. And then Shion pushes Nezumi away. No, Shion. You can talk English. Sorry. Can we retry this? Yep. Just keep going. I hate you. No. Let's get that off for you. No, the camera around. Okay. You ruined my cake. It's pretty good. I know, right? That's not good. Use your